Hello student, I am Anuranjita Dikshit, Faculty of HR from OSN Academy. So students, today our topic is about intellectual property. So student, it is basically, it was established via WIPO, which is your World Intellectual Property Organization, and it was convened or established in 1967. Basically, it was developed via a specialized agency under United Nations, and it was promoted globally. Means every country opt this WIPO. Its main headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. So students, if we talk about the intellectual property thing, so student, it is basically that if you are making any product or services, so how much right you have. So this word intellectual property, it was basically day, it was on 26th April, and every person, every country opted. Now, if we're talking about intellectual property in Indian terms, so students here, this law firm worldwide like USA, UK, Chicago and various other countries, they provide qualitative help to inventor and to creator to create various products. Now, in Indian term, if we talk about the rights which will be reserved to protect any product or controlled by well established statutory and judicial framework. जो भी आप प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं, कोई आप सर्विस बहुत स्पेशल देने जा रहे हैं, तो वो आपके लीगली सेफ और सिक्योर रहेंगे. So here there are various attorneys or law firm about this intellectual property in India in various states. Now, what is this intellectual property? So students, intellectual property is that which arises from the human intellect. Means कोई एक particular human उसको invent कर रहा है. So it is a product of human creation. So it could be your literacy or artistic work or any industrial property. So if we talk about like literacy and artistic work, तो उसमें आपका books हो गया, painting, कोई musical composition, कोई movie. So हम क्या करते हैं, इनको safe, secure करते हैं legally कि that this is my product, this is my thing. So I am the main holder of this thing. Without my permission, you are not supposed to use it. For example, आपकी मिल्खा सिंह मूवी बनी थी, तो उसमें पहले उन्हें मिल्खा सिंह से परमिशन लेनी पड़ी थी that we are going to make movie on you. So via this intellectual property thing, they secure the things. They take permission, then only they can further proceed it. Now, how they are protected? They could be protected via copyright. They could be protected via patented things or any trademark or any industrial designs or any layout designs or on the basis of your geographical indication. So यहाँ पे आपका physical matter or your product idea or your concept for any commercial thing, this thing matters because this is generated via you only. किसी इंडिविजुअल पर्सन का वो आइडिया है, किसी इंडिविजुअल पर्सन का क्रिएटिविटी है. सो जो उसको हम प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, उस आइडिया को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे, वो आपका इंडस्ट्रियल प्रॉपर्टी एक्ट में आता है. Now there are various types of IP. So on the basis of functional and technical invention which come under Patents Act 1970, and various amendment happen in 1999 and 2005. Now if you talk about the purely artistic work, so it will come under Copyright Act 1957, and various amendment happen under 1982, 1984, 1992, 1994 and 1999. And if you talk about a symbol, logo, word, sound, color, design, so those will come under Trademark Act under 1999 और current amendment आपका 2000 में हुआ है. Now here there are few examples we have given about that trademark कैसा होता है. For example, आपने students निके का shoes देखा होगा and duplicate भी है जिसमें they are not supposed to use the same spelling. तो वो आपका ट्रेडमार्क हो गया. अगर हमने सेम स्पेलिंग यूज कर ली, सेम कलर यूज कर लिया, देन इट विल कम अंडर ट्रेड अंडर एक्ट एंड दे कैन फाइल कंप्लेन अगेंस्ट देम. नाउ व्हाट इज दिस पेटेंट? So students, this word come under Patent Act 1972 and various amendments have been done under Patent Act in 2005. It is applicable to the whole of India and it will be governed via central government via notification to official Gazette. Now, patent describes basically an invention for which the inventor claims the exclusive right. हमारा अगर हम कुछ प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, हमारा इन्वेंशन है, सो इन्वेंटर हैव ऑल द राइट्स दैट दे कैन क्लेम or they can file a case against that particular party. Now, what is invention patentable? If suppose it is new, it is very much useful and it is not obvious, means common नहीं है, कुछ unique है, it pertains to patentable or subject matter. कुछ भी हो सकता है, कुछ आपने new produce किया, so you have right that you can claim for that particular thing. बहुत useful है, then obviously आप उसको क्या कर सकते हैं, क्लेम कर सकते हैं. Now, what are the subject matter about it? It is related to basically any process, product or both. For example, मैं कोई एक medicine produce कर रही हूँ which is really helpful for a specific disease. So जो उसका process होगा medicine को बनाने के लिए, हमारा invention है तो हम उसको patent करा सकते हैं. Whatever the step you are involving to making that particular medicine, so वो सारे steps आपको patent कराने पड़ेंगे. So basically it is a base of a industrial application and it could be also applicable on machine also. Now what will be the life and duration of the patent thing? So students, after 20 years that patent will be over. So basically it is for the 20 year for the date of filing, for the type of invention you are doing or creating. Priority date is your when you are filing your patent thing. So here the patent date plays very important role. Now what will be the fee for filing patent? So students, according to government, which is really applicable in India, is rupees 750 for individuals, and when you are included the various legal entities, then it will be 3,000. For initial first and second year there is no fees, then you have to fill the renewal fee. For the next 17 year or 18 year patent lapses, then on that moment you have to like pay the renewal fee. So now if a patent is on enforceable in other countries, so in that case there will be a global patent or world patent. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. It is a patent right are essentially in your own territory. जिस territory में आप invent कर रहे हैं, so you have to follow those act only. जिस territory में you are inventing. So here granting a patent in one country of any union, so they are not bothered about कि वो rules norms आपके दूसरी country में useful होंगे. So वो terminate हो जाएगा automatically. Now patent holders in India, so they are like 10 top patent holder in Indian company. They are from pharmaceutical and biotech company. 184 patents which are related to your scientific and industrial research, which is followed by Ranbaxy, while the other 10 patent holders will across the world about your IT companies. Now, who is youngest patent holder? So student, it is from Jaipur. They create a drawing inspiration from scientist for Stephen Hawking. He is on wheelchair and he did a very good job, and that's why his game design was patented under his name. Now next term is your trademark. So it comes under Trademark Act 1999, which came into effect on September 15, 2003. So students, it is applicable to the whole of India. पूरे इंडिया में ये applicable है. Again, central government play important role. They issue various notification on their official gadget. Now, what is this trademark? Trademark basically is a symbol, logo, word, sound, color, or any other device which is used to identify a business or a product in commerce. For example, जो हमारे cold drinks हैं उसमें एक cold drink है which is like their logo is or their symbol is डर के आगे जीत है. So जो कोई और competitor है, they are not supposed to use this tagline. इस tagline को वो use नहीं कर सकते हैं because this has come under your trademark. So there are various symbols also. So if suppose any person is using a symbol, then you can sue on it. Now what is the registration procedure of trademark? So application for search, then you have to register it, then they will examine your trademark, then after that you can advertise it, or suppose if anybody is filing opposition, so whatever the points you have, you should show on it, then only you will get a proper certification via company, via Trademark Act. Now, what is the duration and fees of trademark? So, students, your trademark is valid for 10 years from the date of application. जिस टाइम पे आपने अपना ट्रेडमार्क रजिस्टर कराया है, उस टाइम से 10 ईयर तक वो वैलिड है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द प्रिस्क्राइब्ड फी. एंड हियर द सर्विस मार्क्स जो सर्विस इंडस्ट्री में आप यूज कर रहे हैं वो आपके 17 ईयर तक applicable रहेंगे, and then you can also renew it. Government is taking 2500 for each case, like either in goods or service. What is the applicability of trademark? So student, it is a sign which is used on in the connection with the marketing of goods or services. जो भी हम अपना प्रोडक्ट मार्केट कर रहे हैं उसके लिए बेसिकली आपका ये यूज किया जाता है. यूज्ड ऑन का मीन्स क्या है? इट इज अ गुड दैट it may appear not only on the good themselves, means आप प्रोडक्ट पे भी उसको अपने अप्लाई कर सकते हो as a symbol. Even you can like use as a wrapper also. So when you are selling the product, then even you are selling your trademark also. Now here is some example that is about your Raymond Textile. Few more, they have given their trademark like Vimmel, your ADT, Chasa. So there are various things how they were using. For example, your Calvin Klein, and few are using it as like Calvin Klein, so which is wrong. But the correct one is the upper one, Tommy Hilfiger or MPC Potteries. So how they are taking the spellings, words, so that also matters. Next term is your here on the cold drink. So the name, logo type आपका ये निके का हो गया, मैकडोनल्ड का ये सिंबल्स हैं, ये सारे आपके ट्रेडमार्क में आते हैं. Now the next important term is your copyright. So the Indian Copyright Act 1957, it governs basically in India. Various amendments have been taken in years. In 1999, the current amendment was taken and still it is going on. So copyright means which grant protection to unique expression of idea. जो आपका idea है उसको protect किया जा रहा है. So originally basically it is the mostly applicable with the author. There is no requirement for any noviceness or uniqueness as there in the patent law. Here you are just protecting the idea, expression of an idea. Not even idea, but the express, how you are going to express it. Now, under copyright, there is some literacy or the film thing or any drama, you know, the sound recording, जो आपका अपना है, that you can secure it, you can protect it. Now, what is not covered under copyright? It is about your ideas, fact, recipes, or you know, work lacking originality. For example, the phone book or various titles, your name or short phrases, they are not covered under this Copyright Act. Now, what is the registration procedure? So, students, again, there is a simple application form with the appropriate fee. So, basically with the same title you can create it independently under this Copyright Protection Act. So it is very simple procedure. You can do it your own even. Now what is the duration of copyright? So author's lifetime is 50 year plus. Means from the end of the calendar year, agar author mar bhi jata hai, then still it will be like copyright via that particular person only. 50 year for films and sound recording. 25 year for the typographical arrangement of a published edition. उसमें भी चेंज होगा 25 साल के बाद में. Copyright protection always expire on December 31st of the last calendar year of their protection. Now what is this fair use, students? So this fair use is basically a permission which is given by a copyrighted material in certain criteria. Here it means protects about freedom of speech or how you want to promote it for the public benefit like education. अगर किसी ने copyright कराया है तो उसका fair use किया जा सकता है क्योंकि वो और दूसरे लोगों को help करेगा. So what are the fair use excuse? You are not supposed to assume that under the fair use exception, saving money is not like sufficient for it. Laziness can be a trap. Now here you can use photos and images, your database information. So these are like students few intellectual property things which are really helpful for the business point of view. People mostly want to protect their invention, their ideas, their logo. So it is all about the intellectual property rights. So students, that's all for today. Keep learning. Thank you.